What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Today we're going to be looking at Hbar on the 4 hour time frame and try and gauge what is going on in this market. So actually I do like that we went below the 1 and we got back above it, and yesterday we confirmed it as support. I think this was the golden pocket, if I'm not mistaken, that I showed you. So from here to here, yeah, it was the golden pocket. You can see the 050 to the 0618, that is the golden pocket. This is like a magnet, so we've come up impulsively and we're getting attracted to the magnet. You can see, what's it easier doing? Easier to go up, harder to go down, easier to go up. Now our technical target that I gave you, I don't even know how many days ago now, has been met out of this inverted head and shoulders with this pump that we've just had now I wouldn't get too excited because you can see here we had an amazing pump to the upside and obviously eventually heading on lower, and you can see that actually even with any amazing pump, as long as you're below this white line, which is the 200 EMA, we actually should be looking for sell signals. So what I'm trying to get at is, as long as you're below this, we should be looking for bearish patterns. We should be looking for resistances failing to be broken, or resistances that were broken gone back below it, basically meaning fake out. So if we say something like let's go and draw this resistance here, so from here to that wick, drag it across, so and then let's make this red, sorry, because it's still resistance, we're not above it yet. So we have got above it, amazing. Let's check for some divergences. This is the thing, we topped out, let's get it exactly there, and we actually put in a lower high here on the chart. We actually put higher highs, and you obviously got a higher high with this wick, and this is still lower than all these previous highs. So we do actually have some bearish divergence. Yeah, everything, we actually made higher highs over this high over here, but on the chart this is actually highest point. So we always are going to have this bearish divergence looming over our head. And another signal for that is that the 200 EMA is way below this point that we need to break above to invalidate that bearish divergence. So until you come up and break 28 cents, or I wish it was $28, until we break 28 cents, we've got bearish divergence looming over our head. What else is looming over us? The 200 EMA. We know that even if we get to it, we're more than likely going to get rejected. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for at the moment. If this holds, then we should get some bearish continuation. We will try and come back down. We're playing around with the bullish crosses, aren't we? Bullish, bearish cross. So we had a bullish cross here, good for bullish continuation. You came back to it to hold it as support, you failed to. Then you got above, but we need to confirm it's support, you failed to again. We never confirmed it as resistance either. So it's really, really playing with us. I would say that we sort of want to ignore it until we see a proper trend, basically, because at the moment we're consolidating between support and resistance. So once it decides which way it will want to go, and we see if it's going to stay as a bullish cross, because right now we did get the bullish cross again where the 55 goes under the 20. So technically we should see upward movement. Our technical target has been met and we're already retracing down. So does this mean that our target's been met and we're trying to form a new pattern, or are we going to continue higher? We're still going to run into this 200 EMA anyway, so that will act as a strong level of resistance if we do go up there. We don't have to, we're already feeling it basically. You're retesting the 786 and we know that this was the one. Obviously to head higher we need to test them before obviously getting above it. So if we do pull back now and we stay above this one level, then obviously we should go ahead and break this, and your next technical target would be that 618, which was this previous support, but it might form into resistance because again we got the 200 4-hour EMA looming over our head. So, and we know anyway when a pattern's target has been met, it wants to form a new pattern. So let's look at this another way. Actually, I'll leave that there quickly. So very positive that you broke out. It's negative that you're closing below it again. If you do, then we could roll over. If you come down and lose this, just like we said, if we hold this, we should go and break this. But if we lose this now, let's go on pocket, we will create the reversal wave to 20.8 cent down to the 1. Obviously, if you from here we get back above this white box, that's positive. But if you use it as resistance, something like this, where we come down to here, use it as resistance, and we will continue lower to this 1618 target at 19 cent. But equally, let's get to bullish target now, measuring this. So yeah, look at that, the 1618 sitting at exactly the 200 4-hour EMA. So as long as we're above, if we can get back above this, then we would be in a target to the 200 if we can close above this red line. But if we stay below it, you've got wicks to the top, it's going to want to drop. But yeah, we're in a very tight range right now. This is support and this is resistance. So we're just basically consolidating like this. So you could continue to do this until a decision is made. Will we break up, hold this as support and head to the 200? Or have we rejected the 786 to continue lower? Maybe put a little impulse back up before losing it, confirm it as resistance and heading down lower to this 1618 target at 19 cents. This is what I'm personally looking out for, but that becomes valid once you obviously hit your head on this box, which is also the 1. And we know that once you lose this 1, which I said a long time ago, technically you should go to this 1618 target down here. And we've called all of this, haven't we? We've called this move from here. Once we lost the 618, you go create that reversal wave to the 1 minimal. You came below the 1 to the 1.272, and we're now getting above the 1. If we can keep holding it as support, just like we're doing here, then we should go up. But if you now fail to hold this as support, if we do come back down and lose it, it is so negative for HBAR. We will continue down. We will continue down. We will lose the 1.272. We will go lower than this, and we should technically go down to the 1618 as your technical target. Thank you guys for listening. Please like this video. It really helps the channel. It grows the channel, gets this video out to more like-minded people like you guys. And yeah, please help the channel grow to 2K subscribers by the end of this month. That would be absolutely amazing. Going into this new house that I'm moving in with 2K subscribers, that would be crazy. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think is going to happen next with HBAR. It's very confusing with these bullish and bearish crosses, but what I would say is at the moment I'll just ignore the EMAs. I'll look at the fib levels, because in consolidation the moving averages aren't totally the best, but they are in trending markets. You can see, retest them and whatnot. So yeah, I'll bring you over to the crypto packages now. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1-month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have 0, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTuber's help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.